Welcome back to our channel, where we provide practical advice on currency trading and investment. In today's video, we'll share 10 of the best currency trading platforms that can help you execute trades effectively and efficiently. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced trader, these platforms offer a range of features to suit your needs. Let's dive in. Number 1. MetaTrader 4, MT4. MetaTrader 4, or MT4, is one of the most popular currency trading platforms worldwide. It offers a user-friendly interface, advanced charting tools, and a wide range of technical indicators. MT4 is renowned for its reliability and is supported by many brokers. Number 2. MetaTrader 5, MT5. MetaTrader 5, or MT5, is the successor to MT4 and offers enhanced features and capabilities. It provides additional asset classes, such as stocks and commodities, alongside Forex trading. MT5 boasts advanced analytical tools and a flexible trading system. Number 3. CTrader. CTrader is a powerful trading platform known for its advanced charting capabilities and intuitive user interface. It offers a wide range of technical indicators, as well as algorithmic trading options. CTrader is particularly popular among ECN, electronic communication network, traders. Number 4. NinjaTrader. NinjaTrader is a comprehensive trading platform that caters to both Forex and futures traders. It provides advanced charting tools, customizable indicators, and an extensive backtesting feature. NinjaTrader is well suited for traders who prefer automated trading strategies. Number 5. TradingView. TradingView is a web-based platform that offers an extensive selection of charts and technical analysis tools. It allows users to share and collaborate on trading ideas and strategies. TradingView offers a social trading experience, making it ideal for traders seeking community interaction. Number 6. eToro. eToro is a social trading platform that enables users to follow and copy the trades of successful traders. It offers a user-friendly interface and a wide range of financial instruments, including currencies, stocks, and cryptocurrencies. eToro is a popular choice for beginners. Number 7. Interactive Brokers. Interactive Brokers is a well-established brokerage firm that provides a comprehensive trading platform. It offers direct market access, competitive pricing, and advanced trading tools. Interactive Brokers is popular among professional traders and institutional investors. Number 8. Oanda. Oanda is a trusted Forex broker that offers its proprietary trading platform. It provides powerful charting tools, customizable indicators, and advanced order types. Oanda is known for its competitive spreads and reliable execution. Number 9. Saxo Trader. Saxo Trader is a feature-rich trading platform that caters to both beginner and advanced traders. It offers a wide range of financial instruments, including currencies, stocks, and options. Saxo Trader provides a user-friendly interface and access to expert research and analysis. Number 10. IG Trading Platform. The IG Trading Platform is a comprehensive and user-friendly platform that offers a wide range of trading instruments, including Forex, stocks, and commodities. It provides advanced charting tools, risk management features, and access to real-time market data. And there you have it, 10 of the best currency trading platforms available today. Remember, when choosing a trading platform, consider factors such as your trading style, technical requirements, and available resources. Demo accounts are often available, allowing you to test the platforms and find the one that suits you best. Happy trading!